to the second episode of the original Crypto Kids weekly news wrap-up for the week ending February 3rd, 2018. Our top story comes as no surprise. Bitcoin took a wee bit of a tumble thanks to some not-so-great headlines. First, on Wednesday, India decided to ban the use of Bitcoin, though did note that they embrace blockchain technology as a whole. Then, on Thursday, Facebook decided to ban ads promoting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on its platform in an effort to protect its users from scams, according to a Facebook blog post. And, as if that double dose of bad news wasn't enough, the kimchi premium in South Korea evaporated, placing a lot of downward pressure on Bitcoin. Turns out, kimchi isn't just a tasty pickled cabbage, it's also the difference in price on South Korean exchange for Bitcoin. Fear and doubt continues to mount that regulations in the Asian country will disrupt trading. Moving on, Ethereum continued to hold up better than most every other player, especially in terms of asset correlation. While it's tempting to look at your coins in terms of US dollars, it's actually more helpful to correlate the price with other cryptos, and in this regard, Ethereum is doing really well. Another strong correlator lately is NEO, the old ant shares, which has been coming on pretty strong when correlated with Ethereum. NEO, by the way, is a non-profit community-based blockchain working to automate the management of digital assets using smart contracts to create a smart economy. Sounds smart to me. In other altcoin news, fair warning for any traders using the US dollar tether. A planned audit has been called off because it was considered to be too complicated. That's not just a red flag, but they've also got that Avril Lavigne song stuck in my head. Why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? See what I mean? Back to the news. We also wanted to take a moment to address what seems to be a looming David and Goliath story involving crypto exchanges and credit card companies. Turns out the card companies have started introducing new fees for transfers to the exchanges and in some cases disallowing credit card transactions altogether. As you can imagine, this will make it harder for people who don't have liquid assets on hand to get into the crypto game or increase their positions. We'll certainly keep you posted on the most interesting development. And that brings us to the end of this week's episode of the original Crypto Kids Weekly News Wrap-Up. I'll catch you next Saturday, and until then, happy hodling!